Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be taking a look at the best accessories we recommend for the new iPhone 11 from Apple. Though these products may not be on top of everyone's list, we want to show you some of the best tried and tested cases, chargers, headphones, screen protectors and cables that work great even if you're on a budget. First things first, you want to cover your iPhone 11 to give it the best start. We have two different cases with us today, one clear case and one tough case, so there's something for everyone's needs. Our clear case choice is the official crystal clear case from Apple. It's great for covering your phone from scratches and minor bumps, and comes in sizes for all the iPhones in the 11 series range. Of course, you'll love this case to best display the colour options available for the new handsets, especially those sought after purple, red or green colours. It's a great slimline option for the proud iPhone user, and neatly cups that excellent square camera setup. Our tough cases option is the Olixar Delta Armour protective case. A great budget option from a trusted brand, you can protect your brand new investment in this simple but sturdy cover case. Made from a sturdy inner TPU section and an outer impact resistant exoskeleton, your phone will be safe from hard impacts that would usually shatter your phone. It not only protects the back and edges, it covers the screen with a raised bezel edge that saves it from surface damage and major impacts. Though it only comes in matte black, the military style design works well with anything, and it's quite slimline and compact, so it easily fits into small pockets and bags. After cases, you'll need to keep your phone powered up, so we suggest the Goobay wireless charger pad. For a cheaper electronics brand, it works perfectly with a wide range of smartphones as it's highly compatible with QI wireless compatible devices. It's perfect for the budget tech user, as this wireless charger only sets you back by about £10. It's small enough to fit into the palm of your hand, and it fits perfectly under the moderate sized handset of the iPhone 11. For something so small, it fits in perfectly with the home and on the go, as it takes up very little space and uses a micro USB connector to power up, so you can plug it into just about any USB power source. It may only have 5 watts of power, but it's a great little device to give your new iPhone that little power boost when and where you need it. But if you prefer watching videos on the big screen, we have the solution in the form of the 4Smart's Lightning port to HDMI adapter. This handy cable helps you easily connect your new iPhone 11 directly to the TV to watch movies and play games in comfort. With the quality and power of the new headsets, it's easier than ever to stream TV and games through your phone, and what better to use your TV to enhance the iPhone 11's powerful features. It's a simple plug and play device, so if you don't have a smart TV or struggle using casting technology, then this adapter works perfectly for enlarging your phone screen so you can share photos with friends without any lag or delay. With the smaller size of the iPhone 11, you'll want to give the screen that added protection, so we recommend the Whitestone glass screen protector. Again, it's available for all the iPhone 11 screens and offers the ultimate coverage and clarity you hardly get from other glass protectors. The installation process often gets a lot of negative press, as it's quite complicated and lengthy to complete, but once it's done, you'll be left with a highly durable, long-lasting glass protector that deflects fingerprints and works in harmony with the latest iPhone features. It's perfect if you want to use a less protective clear case, but don't want to leave the screen exposed, as Whitestone protectors work great with those thin, soft cases without lifting or peeling over time. It also doesn't interfere with the Face ID unlocking system, but we do recommend you remove your previous ID and rescan after installation for the best results. Of course, for such high quality, there is often a high price to pay, and this protector will set you back by about £45 to £50. However, it's definitely worth the cost if you compare it to other cheaper alternatives on the market, and with Whitestone, you're easily securing your phone screen for longer. Finally, you'll need a good wireless option for listening to music on the go. After removing the headphone jack many models ago, iPhone users have settled in with the wireless headphone route, and there are many options available out there, from over-ear to small and compact. While we would recommend the AirPods for the new iPhone 11 series, we know not everyone can afford the price tag, so here we have the KSIX TrueBuds wireless earphones with microphone. They work almost exactly like the official AirPods, and at a glance, they look very much like the same thing. They connect to the iPhone using Bluetooth technology, and though they are quite small, they come with a handy charging case that holds up to 16 hours of music charge, perfect for the on-the-go iPhone user. This versatile accessory looks good and works amazingly well for a non-brand electrical product, and it's the perfect option for the budget conscious, costing as little as £20. So if you're attached to your music and movies on the go, then these brilliant budget headphones will make a great companion to your new investment. So that's it for our top 5 accessories for the new iPhone 11. If you're looking for more iPhone 11 news and reviews, then please like and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Or if you're just a fan of the latest smartphones on the market, check out some of our other videos on our channel for an insight into a whole range of mobile tech. Thanks for watching.